snatched nose. Do you understand me? Do you understand your teacher? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be having a contour and a highlight tutorial. A lot of people have been asking me what's the difference between a cream contour and a powder contour, which technically is like the same thing, but in my opinion I feel that the cream contour gives you a more chiseled look. You know, it gives you a more structured face, as much as it takes time because it takes a lot of blending and all of that, as opposed the powder contour, which you just take a dark powder and you just try to structure your face. I usually just do the powder contour because I really don't have time to be, most times I don't have time to be blending and blending. I just want to get out of the house. So whatever rocks your boat. If you want to see what we are going to be doing, let's just get right into this. In the meantime, I'm going to go do my eyes and my brows off camera. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification so you won't miss any of my updates. I love you and I'm going to see you guys. We finished our eyes. So now what we are going to do is prime the face and use the foundation. So today I'm going to be using the Juba Cosmetics primer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty and the Black Up foundation. Why I like to mix both is Fenty Beauty for me is very runny. It's like it's not a medium. You have to build it to get a full coverage, and I'm sure you guys know I'm a full coverage addict, and this Black Up foundation is a full coverage, like very full coverage. So that's why I'm going to be mixing both of them. I just don't really like how the Fenty Beauty goes on my face. I'm not really a fan of it. And the concealer I'm going to be using today is the Tarte Tape Shape in medium. Going under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupids. For a more subtle highlight, probably are going to work, it is better you use maybe about a shade or 2 shades lighter. This is about 3 to 4 shades lighter than my skin tone, and because I really like my my highlight to pop. And the trick to blending is just take your time. I'm going to be using a darker foundation. Like, I'd really like to use this foundation because it is full coverage, but it's not a concealer. Just what I'm trying to say. Honestly, I don't know how to explain that, but that's really why I like it. Whenever you are confused as to where your contour should be, just remember that. Just start from your ear. Can you see? Then I don't like my contour. This is personal preference. I always tell you that makeup is personal preference. It is what you have done over time. It is how you have studied your face. Studying your face is what really matters. It is not what everybody does. You don't have to do what I'm doing. It is what works for you. I'm just here to give you like a guideline if you don't know how to go about certain things, because we don't have the same facial structure anyways, so you want to take that into consideration. You're looking snatched already. We are well blended. Can you see? Oh. Make sure you blend. The trick is to make sure you blend. So we want to go back to setting our highlight. So I'm going to be going back with that brush that I used, because obviously I would have creased under my eyes. So I want to set it again so I don't have crease lines under my eyes. And I'm going to be using my beauty blender to just gently pat my highlight powder. And you want to press it in. You don't want to just do it like this. You want to press it in. That's the trick of highlight. That's the trick of getting that bomb highlight. And I'm not going to be doing this for a very long time, because if you do it, sometimes it over dries your face, especially your under eye. So I don't like to do it a lot of times. The only time I bake my under eye for a long time is whenever I want to do my eyeshadows, or probably I haven't done my eyeshadow. Maybe I'm just going to use your actual powder to take everything off. And today I'm going to be using my black up powder. And this is in TW01. Now I'm going to be bronzing my face. You know, we have so much powder, we want to give back definition to our face. And I'm going to be using the Morphe E59 brush. This is the kind of brush I'm using for my bronzer, and I'm using the CoverGirl in Ebony. So this is just to bring back color to our face. If you want that very chiseled contour, breaking everything, cutting everything, this is what you do. So you go back into your highlight powder and you just use your powder to just, at the end of your contour, you just use this powder to, you know, to just straighten it out. And you see already that it's chiseled, or chisel my nasal. So it's just probably like, just like to give our contour a more definition, like your face is, you know, we are cutting everything and all of that. So that's the trick of getting that, you know, chiseled face and all of that. I'm going to be contouring my nose, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia contour kit in, I think it's medium, in this color. No, in this color right here. It's not a very dark color, that's why I like it. Now remember, I don't like, whenever you want to contour your nose, you don't want something that is too harsh and all of that. And you want to bring your contour to your eyeshadow, you know, you want to join your contour line here. You want to join it down so you have that snatched nose. Do you understand me? Do you understand your teacher? So you quickly want to take it off. You can see that it's still there. You don't want it to stay for a long time, maybe for like some minutes, and you see, and that's just it. That's the end of our tutorial, guys. Hope you found this useful. Hope you found one or two tricks. You know, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to share. If you know somebody who doesn't probably know me, just share, tell the person. Subscription is free. Like, please subscribe, please get turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my updates. I'm gonna see you on my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay beautiful. I love you. Mwah. 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 Bye.